Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, where stories inspire you to grow stronger every day. Today, I have an inspiring story for anyone struggling with focus and discipline. This is the story of a boy who had great talent, but couldn't control his mind. If you ever find yourself distracted by your phone, social media, or endless thoughts, this story will help you learn how to focus, build discipline, and achieve your goals. Stay tuned till the end, because this story might change the way you work and live. Once upon a time, in a small town, there lived a smart boy named Ryan. He dreamed of becoming a doctor, and everyone believed he could do it. But Ryan had one big problem. He couldn't control his mind. Whenever he tried to study, his thoughts wandered to his phone, to YouTube, or to random daydreams. He always told himself, "I'll study later," but that later never came. His parents and teachers warned him, but Ryan thought being smart was enough. Then one day, the results of a big scholarship exam were announced. Ryan had failed. His friends, who studied with focus and discipline, had done very well. That moment changed everything. Ryan felt sad, disappointed, and embarrassed. He realized that talent alone isn't enough. Success belongs to those who stay focused, determined to improve. Ryan went to meet Coach Miller, a teacher known for helping students build focus, discipline, and self-control. Coach Miller decided to teach Ryan a lesson through a simple activity. He gave Ryan a bow and arrow and told him to hit a target. Ryan tried again and again, but he kept missing. The coach smiled and said, "Your eyes see the target, but your mind is looking everywhere else. That's why you're missing." He continued, "When you study, your mind does the same thing. It jumps from one thought to another. Focus only on your goal, and you will succeed." Ryan finally understood. Discipline and focus were more important than talent or luck. Coach Miller then shared 4 simple rules for success. First, control your thoughts. When your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your task. Second, create a routine. Decide when to study and when to rest. Third, remove distractions. Keep your phone and TV away during study time. And fourth, practice every day. Small, consistent habits lead to big results. Ryan followed these rules carefully. At first, it was difficult. His mind kept wandering, but he didn't give up. Day by day, his focus improved. He started enjoying his studies, and his results began to change. Months later, Ryan not only passed his exams, but came first in his class. His parents and teachers were proud. But Ryan knew the real victory was mastering his own mind. He had learned a powerful truth. The mind is like a wild horse. If you don't control it, it will run anywhere. But if you train it with discipline, it will carry you towards success. From that day on, Ryan made a promise to stay disciplined in everything he did. Friends, this story reminds us that success doesn't depend on talent alone. It comes from focus, discipline, and consistent effort. So, stop waiting for motivation. Build habits that keep you moving. Because once you master your mind, you can master your life. Thank you for watching. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motivational stories every week. Stay disciplined, keep learning, and remember, focus creates success.